I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problem Solving.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking Excel 1 app baking sales. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course details on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. Please hire me for your weekly quizzes, hire me for your weekly assignments, hire me for your final and midterm exam. And if you want to refer complete course, you can contact me. I will provide you very reasonable price and I will provide you A+ grade. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me and I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. You can see first we will see the title of assignment. Focusing on the title of assignment, Excel 1 app baking sale. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now question 1 is that open the file student XLS 1 app baking sale XLS download with this project. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from a Pearson IT Lab dashboard portal. You can see this my Excel workbook. Okay. You can easily download this from your school, college and university portal. I am handling this student's course. Now moving on question number 2. In question number 2, merge and center the title and then subtitle across column A to F and then apply the title and heading 1 cell style respectively. Basically in this question we will merge and center the title and then subtitle across column A to F. First we will select this range column A to F. Okay, we will select column A to F. Okay, then we will merge and center the title. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, we will select this column A to F, then go to the home tab. In the alignment tab you can see in the alignment tab here is merge and center. Okay, we will apply merge and center. Okay, then apply the title heading 1 cell style. Okay, enter this range and then go to the home tab. We will select second range. Okay, column A to F and then go to the alignment tab and then we will apply merge and center. Okay, merge and center. Now apply heading 1 cell style respectively. Okay, on this range we will apply heading 1 cell style. Go to the cell style and then apply heading 1 cell style. Okay, go to the style group. You can see here style group. In the cell style we will apply heading 1 cell style. Apply heading 1 cell style is here, you can see. Now moving on next question. I have done this question very well. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. Question number 3 is that you can read this. I have done 2 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on question number 3. In question number 3, make cell A1 the active cell and then check spelling in your worksheet. Correct gluten to gluten. Select column A and then set the column weight to 24. Select column E and then set the column weight to 12. Basically in this question first we will click on cell A1. The A1 cell will be active cell. Then okay, A1 is our active cell. Okay, A1 is our active cell, and then check spelling in your worksheet. Okay, we will check the spelling. Go to the review tab and then simply click on spelling. Okay, then click on change all, two time click on change all, and you can see here spell check complete, you are good to go. Then click on OK. Spelling error, correct gluten to gluten. Now select column A and then set the column width to 24. Basically we will select column A, simply select column A, right click on column A, and then we will change the width of column A to 24. Right click on column A and then click on column width. Okay, we will change the column width to 24, change the data in column width. We will set this column width of column A to 24 and then click on OK. Column width, column A width will be changed here 24. Now select column B and then set the width to 12. Okay, simply click on column B, right click on column B and then click on column width, and then we will change the width of column B to 12. Select column B. Okay, right click on column B, click on column width, and then we will change the data in the column width to 12, and then simply click on OK. Column E width will be changed here. Now moving on next question. You can see on my PC screen I have done 3 questions right now. Now moving on next question is question number 4. Okay, in question number 4, in cell E4, construct a formula to calculate the total sales of blueberry muffin mix by multiplying the quantity sold times the retail price. Copy the formula down for the remaining products. Basically in this question we will enter a formula in cell E4. In cell E4, construct a formula to calculate the total sales of blueberry muffin mix by multiplying the quantity sold times the retail price. Click on cell E4, press is equal to, and then enter construct a formula. Press is equal to, and then quantity sold time the retail price multiplying by retail price. You can see here I have enter a formula in cell E4, quantity sold times multiplying by retail price. Then we will press is equal to and press enter, and then it will find total sales here. Now copy the formula down for the remaining products. Okay, now we will copy the formula down for the remaining products. Fill handle this column, right click on this and scroll down this column, and then all column will be filled in here. Question is completed now. Now moving on question number 5. I have done 4 questions of this assignment right now. In question number 5, sales the range E4 to E10 and then use the quick analysis tool to sum the total sales for all products, which will be formatted in bold, to the total in a cell E11. Apply the total cell style. You can read this question. Basically in this question, select the range E4 to E10 first and then use quick analysis tool to sum the total sales for all products, which will be formatted in bold. Okay, then we will apply bold on this, and to the total in cell E11 apply the total cell style. Okay, then we will apply total cell style on this cell E11. Okay, select the range E4 to E10 first, enter range in the range area E4 to E10. Okay, then use quick analysis. You can see quick analysis tool. to sum the total sales for all products. Okay, here is quick analysis tool. Click on here and then quick analysis tool will be open. Okay, go to the totals, click on total and click on sum. Okay, you can see total sales for all products, then which be formatted in bold. Then we will apply bold on this cell E11. Okay, click on cell E11 and then go to the home tab and then apply bold. Go to the simply go to the home tab and then we will apply bold on cell E11. Okay, and then we will apply total cell style on this. Here is total cell style in the style group. Question is completed now. Now moving on next question. I have done 5 questions of this assignment right now. You can see on my PC screen. Question number 6 is that use absolute cell references as necessary so that you can copy the formula in cell F4. Construct a formula to calculate the percent of total sales for the first product. Copy the formula down for the remaining products. Okay, basically in this question we will using the absolute cell references as necessary. Okay, then you can copy the formula in cell F4, construct a formula to calculate the percent of total sale for the first product, then copy the formula down for the remaining product. Please follow my video and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Using absolute cell references as necessary so that you can copy the formula in cell F4. Simply we will click on cell F4, press is equal to in cell F4 and then enter a formula in cell F4. First we will press is equal to and then using absolute cell references. Okay, total sales divided by total sales of all products. Okay, you can see here total sales, press is equal to cell F4 and then total sales divided by energy byte mix. Okay, total sales divided by energy byte mix, E4 over E10 and then enter $, press shift and then press 4 button. Okay, press shift and then press 4 button for $. Okay, you can see I have entered a formula in cell F4, E4 total sales divided by energy byte mix. Okay, then press enter, it will be find here percentage of total sales. Copy the formula down for the remaining products. Okay, copy down the column. Now moving on next question. I have done this question very well. I have done 6 questions of this assignment right now. Moving on question number 7. To the computed percentage, apply percentage style with 2 decimal places and then center the percentage. Okay, to the computed percentage, apply percentage style with 2 decimal places and then center the percentage. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. If you do not able to do this assignment, I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Okay, to the computed percentage, apply percent style with 2 decimal places, and then the center the percentage. Okay, go to the number group and then apply percent style with 2 decimal places. Okay, percent style with 2 decimal places, and then center the percentage. Okay, go to the alignment tab and then apply center the alignment. This is good now, very good now. Now moving on, next question is question number 8. I have done 7 questions of this assignment right now. Moving on, question number 8. You can see on my PC screen. Please follow my video and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Now moving on, question number 8. You can see on my PC screen in the on question number 8. Apply the comma style with no decimal places to the quantity sold figures. To cell D4, E4 and E11, apply the accounting number format. Okay, first we will apply on the quantity sold column, apply comma style with no decimal places. Okay, first we will select the quantity sold column and then we will go to the number group and then we will apply comma style with no decimal places. Okay, and then click on cell D4, cell E4 and then cell E11, and then we will apply accounting number format on this all cells. Okay, apply the comma style with no decimal places to the quantity sold figure. Moving on, Excel workbook. Okay, apply quantity sold column, select quantity sold column and then go to the number group and then apply comma style with no decimal places, no decimal places. Okay, this is good now. Then we will select cell D4, cell E4 and cell E11. Okay, cell D4 is here. Okay, we will apply accounting number format. Okay, then we will apply select cell E4, then we will apply accounting number format. You can see here, first I have selected cell D4, then I have applied accounting number format, then I have selected cell E4, then I have applied accounting number format, and then I have selected cell E4. Okay, we will have to select cell E4 and then we will apply accounting number format on cell E4. E11. Okay, then I have select cell E11, then I have apply on accounting number format on cell E11. Now moving on, next question is question number 9. I have done 8 questions of this assignment right now. Question number 9 is that to the range D5 to E10 apply the comma style. This is very easy question. First we will enter this range and then select this range. 1 second, my battery is running low. Okay, to the range D4 to E10 apply the comma style. First we will enter range in the range area, or we will have to select this range. Okay, D5 to E10. Okay, I have select this range and then go to the number group, apply comma style on this range. You can see here I have done 85% of this assignment. For remaining question and if you want to do for a complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. I will provide you professional work, no plagiarism, A+ grade. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard and many more colleges, universities. Okay, I am handling many students courses from Canada, USA and many more countries. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.